Deciding on yourself or wasting it again. Welcome to our channel, Enjoy New Spirit. Vision Board, New Year, New Achievements. What we are going to discuss today is a concept which is circulating through the internet as it is a New Year time, right? Vision Board. Vision Board is a predefined, customized collage where you enter your goals, affirmations, pictures, and many more things you want to achieve in life in the coming year. Vision Board can be created anytime. It is just a way of communicating your goals from your mind to real achievement. The prime purpose of Vision Board is to keep you focused on the things you have manifested. Vision boarding can be pursued in many forms and for anything. Things to include. First and foremost, goals. You should be very clear about your goals. You should not lie to yourself. Be firm and precise about your goals. Second, affirmations. Write positive quotes, affirmations, sentences, and whatsoever you feel necessary. It will keep you motivated. It will keep you up to date to your work. Third, pictures. Include the pictures regarding your goals. Include each and everything you want to achieve. When you romanticize your life, when you put a vision through it, when you depict how your actions will be in the future, this is how you're gonna achieve it, right? Vision board layout. It should be precise and concise. You should not include unnecessary details and negative effects on it. Provoking negativity through the positive aspects of your small world is illegit. The prime purpose of vision boarding is to spread positivity with dedication of being able to achieve it. The vision board should be colorful. It should be highly prepared in landscape form. After preparing it, keep it as your wallpaper or print it out to paste in your room on the wall. This would always keep you motivated. This is the example of a vision board. It is simple, straight to the point, and elegant enough to keep one up to the goals. Is it worse or not? The biggest question is if it guarantees my success or not. The answer is yes, it guarantees success. If the owner of it works enough on it, darlings. Vision board is just a way of keeping you focused and examining your goals. You can't achieve anything without working. Vision board is the preceding facet for your success. It is just a prime medium between you and your future you. Suppose you add in your VB that you want to learn a language and talk fluently in it, for example, German. You have worked for it, went to coaching classes of it, gave quizzes and exams. You worked everything up. And at the end, you started to speak German fluently, made German friends, and here you achieved your goals, which you added in your VB. You achieved it because you worked hard for it. Your one VB element is fulfilled. If you wouldn't have entered these goals in your VB, you must just be like, oh, I will do that, I will do this, I will achieve this, I will achieve that, but you're not gonna work for it, right? And then the other day you will wake up being lazy, would say I will do it tomorrow, but instead select the VB in your room and become enthusiastic about it. That's why you achieve. Conclusion. Vision board is nothing without God's prayers and grace and blessing towards you. Start with prayer. Include your Creator's presence in it and you will see the differences. This thing can be guaranteed without any condition. In the end, it is you and yourself with lots of success ahead. Go for it, love it. It is the time of the new year and I wish all of you a great new year and everything will be in your favor next year like you have predicted and created. Be firm on your VB, be firm on your work and always be kind. If you want video on a specific topic, comment it down. Keep loving, subscribe to our channel.